If you are an MBA aspirant looking to pursue a career in marketing, this video is for you.
If you're 25 and going to MBA college today, you must be some kind of idiot, if you ask me.
What the hell? What are you supposed to do now? So basically, there are 5 factors that you need to consider before you actually decide whether or not it's, worth it. Firstly, you need to ask yourself, why am I even doing an MBA? Well, I don't know, maybe I want to start something of my own. Boy, you really don't need an MBA for that.
बिकॉज कोई भी MBA का जो कॉलेज है वो आपको बिजनेस तो सिखा नहीं रहा, वो कहने की 20 स्कूल है, ठीक है.
I actually want to upgrade myself and start working in the corporate and start earning ASAP. Now if that's the case, then we are maybe up for some discussion. Next you need to ask yourself, am I ready to invest 2 years of my life into an MBA program at this point in life? If you are a fresh graduate, maybe you can. But if you want to start earning ASAP, maybe you shouldn't. Then of course comes the financial angle. Are you coming from an affluent background? If yes, then great. If not, are you confident enough of your commitment to work in the corporate for 5+ years and hence clear off all your loans? Think about it. Then comes the big question. Am I capable enough to secure a seat in one of the top B schools of the country? If yes, it's kind of worth it. Else just let it go. In this post-pandemic era, companies have been prioritizing your skills over your degree more than ever. So now you'd have to stuff your 2 years program with multiple online courses, certifications, and even some internships. Hence, you would be able to prove yourself capable to any of the companies coming for hiring. Now, those same things can be done even if you are in your high school or graduation college. And hence, start working quite early because of your skills. So ask yourself, what's more important to me? Experiencing 2 years of life at a B school or having an early start to your career in the field of marketing? The choice is yours.